Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show how to enable media viewer animation on Telegram Web on your PC using the latest update. If you've noticed smoother transitions when opening photos and videos on mobile, you'll be glad to know you can now bring that same experience to your desktop. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. A sidebar menu will appear. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where you can customize your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, look for the section called Animations and Performance. Click on it to open more options. This area controls how smooth and dynamic your interface feels while using Telegram Web. Now, under Interface Animations, you'll find the option called Media Viewer Animation. This is the feature that adds smooth transitions when you open images, videos, and other media files. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Media Viewer Animation.